We just took down a tree for a log cabin restoration, but I have a problem. Before I can cut up this log, I may have to drive 5 hours just to get measurements. All right, I got lucky. I didn't have to go to Virginia after all. They sent me the measurements. So now I have to cut up this log and hope she gave me the right numbers. You know, I need several of these shorter pieces. So I'm going to take a risk and try to split this right down the middle. And if I'm lucky, I'll get 2 for the price of 1. Well, that went better than expected. The question now is, if I can do this with a 3-foot piece, can I do it with a 20-foot piece? Most timber has a twist to it. In a short 3-foot piece, you might not even see that twist. When it comes to a 20-foot piece, if the twist is bad enough, it would ruin this entire timber. I promised the client that I would keep my work to below $10,000. I'm almost at $10,000 now. So if I ruin this timber, that money comes out of my own pocket. Under normal circumstances, I wouldn't even consider taking this risk. But out of sheer curiosity and show you what could happen, how it could go either good or bad, I'm going to do it. there's absolutely no way I'm going to spend the next several days hunched over hewing on timbers. The idea is absolutely ridiculous. Bending over for hours on end, swinging an axe, hewing timbers, is the worst form of punishment I could ever imagine. Last week in Virginia, I busted this axe handle. I ordered another one right when I got home, and it just arrived today. Well, I'm sorry to say, the new axe handle isn't quite heavy enough for this axe head. We'll have to do something else. Well, today is the big day that we get to pay for our timber. Now, I already have a price in mind that's very generous, I believe, $300. But just for the hell of it, I want to see what that comes out to per board foot. Well, I ended up with about 140 board feet of timber. If I pay them $2 a board foot, that's $280. I'll pay them an extra 20, call it my being a pain in the ass fee, and that makes 300 bucks. So that's pretty good.
Wie lange können Sie noch halten?
Maximal 1 bis 2 Tage.
Gilt das auch für das Regierungsviertel?
Die Befehle sind ausgearbeitet. Ich gebe Ihnen mein Ehrenwort als...
Das war ein Befehl! Der Angriff Steiners war ein Befehl! Niederträchtiger, treuloser Feiglinge!
Sofort wissen, ob die Gesamtlage es wahrscheinlich macht, dass Wenk noch eingreifen kann.
Nicht als Feiglinge! Verreiter, Versager!
This axe has been laying around my garage for a few years now. I don't remember where it came from, but I'm kind of anxious to see if she has any life left in her. for just being touched up with a file, that's not bad. I mean, I'll sharpen it more later tonight, but that's a good start. Make sure you stick around because my new friend and I are going to turn these logs into useful timbers.